The first thing to understand is that there are two types of restraining orders in Massachusetts. There's a 209A abuse prevention order and there's a 258E harassment prevention order. The main difference is the relationship you have with your abuser or harasser. In order to get a 209A abuse prevention order, you must be in some kind of relationship with the person who is abusing you, a family or household member, or someone you are in a significant dating relationship with. With a harassment prevention order, you don't have to be in any kind of relationship with that person. In fact, they could be a stranger to you or a neighbor. In any case, the process is very similar regardless of which order you're seeking. You go to the court and find the civil clerk's office and fill out the paperwork. After you fill out the paperwork, give it back to the clerk and go into the courtroom and wait for your name to be called. Now you're going to have a hearing right away on the same day that you file your paperwork. This is for a temporary order. This order can be good for up to 10 days. If the judge issues that order, then your abuser has to obey that order or they could face criminal charges. So during the temporary hearing order, you're going to go before the judge and explain to the judge exactly what's going on and why you need the order. If they believe that an order is indeed called for, they will issue that 10-day order. Now, on the 10th day, you must return to court if you want that order to be extended. In the meantime, the police will serve the order on your abuser or harasser, and that person can be present on the two-party hearing. In fact, that's why it's called a two-party hearing, because both parties can be present. On that day, you'll go before the judge and ask for an extension, typically 1 year. If indeed the order is granted, your abuser will be served with the paperwork. Make sure you get a copy of the order as well, because you need to be able to show the police that there's an active order in place if he or she violates the order. Now remember, getting a harassment or a protective order is a very serious matter, and the court wants to make sure that you're safe regardless of what's going on in your situation. So don't be shy about going to the court and asking for their help. That's why they're there.
To see if you qualify for a Massachusetts restraining order, please visit affordlaw.org/qualify-RO.